All right, guys. So I weighed myself, and congratulations to me. I'm down 16 pounds now so far. As you guys know, I've been working on an eating program, being monitored by Profile by Sanford. It's a weight control. It teaches you stuff. It's not just. It's not like an app. It's a real person that I counsel with that helps me pick the right foods to eat during the day, drink lots of water, encourages me, gives me better recipes and everything. So, anyway, I want to thank Profile by Sanford for helping me feel better and lose weight. Do you guys know how many people don't know who Julia Child is? Oh my gosh. Okay, Julia Child, for those of you who are going, nope, never heard of her. Okay, Julia Child was when I was a child. She literally trained in France. I think she's from England. She was the first celebrity cook on TV. She was the first one. They did a TV show, a series with her, and she was amazing. Her recipes were really good. She was professionally trained in France, all that stuff. Then people started coming out, the Galloping Gourmet, and you had that Jacques guy. I can't remember his name. Another French dude came out. So she was like the first ever that came out and started cooking for you on TV. People loved her. So I grew up knowing who she was. But anyway, this is one of her famous recipes. It's her tuna sandwich. And the only change we made is I got rid of the English muffin and I replaced it with zero carb bread. Okay? But otherwise, this is made on a toasted English muffin. So you can pull up the recipe. I'll have the original recipe down below with the English muffin, okay? And we also are not putting, it asks, those little baby corn on the cobs that you get like in salads. They asked for that too. I said, I don't want that. So this is pretty much how she makes it. So come on in close and I'll show you the ingredients. So we kept the corn out and we kept the English muffin. If you want those two, add them into this recipe. Recipes down below. Okay, guys, not too much going on here. Most of you have made tuna salad before, but if you haven't, this is kind of how she does it. We got 3 cans of tuna. We got diced onions, diced celery, capers. This is interesting. Never heard of capers in my tuna salad. And then you got some Boston lettuce you're going to use for the sandwich. Then you got some sliced green tomatoes. And I think that's it. Oh, and there'll be a few slices of onion later on in the show. We'll throw that on top of the sandwich too. You got the Hellmann's mayonnaise. And she literally mentions Hellmann's. This is a very popular brand. We'll use a splash of the lemon juice, salt and pepper, bring that into the show when we need it, and that's it. You guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I've got all our tuna in there. Got 3 cans of tuna in here. First thing we're going to do is put in about 3 heaping tablespoons. That's a big one right there. Okay, you ready? Take our onions. Got onions in there. I'm not going to use all of them. Celery, get that in there. I can use all those. I cut up a lot. Put our capers in there. Pinch of salt for right now. Love me some pepper. Put that in there. Okay, start breaking up the meat. Mix everything together. Should blend beautifully. There's enough moisture from the tuna and the mayonnaise and the vegetables to get it all mixed in, not too dry. Get it all scraped off the sides. There we go. Give it a little taste, make sure salt and pepper's good. I put a little bit more salt. A little more salt in there. There we go. And get that mixed up. It's weird because it's seafood. It should be good already with salt, but it's not. And give it a try. And there you go. It's all mixed up. Delicious. Tastes so good. Okay. Remember how I always said my mom would put just a capful of vinegar in her salads? Well, that's why they asked for the lemon juice. I almost forgot the lemon juice. This isn't tang. It's got to have a little bit of a tanginess to it. It has a good salty and good peppery. Salt and pepper is good in here, but we don't have the juice. So put a little spritz in there. There you go. One more. There we go. That'll give it it'll totally brighten up your salad. So, make sure we're okay. Give it a quick taste again. Came out great. All right, next thing we're going to do is take a few slices of our zero-carb bread and toast it. Or if you're doing the official Julia Child way, it's with an English muffin. Because she's, I think, from England. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going with this. Let me get this in the toaster and I'll bring it right back. There's your bread. It's all toasty. Nice and warm. Didn't want it too dark. Take a little bit of mayonnaise. Spread it around. Here and here. Get your lettuce. Get that open. This is kind of like, this is called Boston lettuce. You can use butter lettuce if you want. More of the more gentle lettuces that they have. Stay there. Stay there. All right. So we're gonna, I like a lot of lettuce because it fills me. So we're gonna use a lot of lettuce, 2 pieces on each side. You'd only ask for 1 piece. So we got 2 pieces. Get rid of that. Put that over here. Get some of that on there. There we go. Then take a green tomato, place it on top. Take circles of onion, place them on top. And then you're going to close this and cut it, okay? And that's pretty much it. Okay, before I try this, it's going to be messy. Probably put too much tuna on it. All right, before I bite into this sandwich, I just want to let you guys know I have new aprons finally. It's got the show logo on it. If you want me to sign the apron, I'll sign it for free. Not looking to sell signatures. But basically, their brand new load came in, and they're stitched. So they're not just like an iron-on. All right? So if you need an apron, go to thebestsauces.com, get yourself an apron. And I may have some good news about my sauces too. You guys know we stopped doing sauces. I might have an update. Might be bringing that back to life. So let's try this right now. Give this a try. Here we go. It's really good. That lettuce breaks up perfectly in your mouth. You can taste the crunch of the onions, the celery. A lot of things going on in this sandwich. Try it. You probably have all the ingredients already. Give it a try and let me know what you think, all right? I love you guys. Don't forget aprons are on sale now. So go order your aprons, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Love you.